Wow, this really looks like a truck of the future.
Sure does. So where should the Inspiration truck take us now?
I know the perfect place. Historic, innovative, and impressive.
So let's go there. Wow, what a night. Tempted to say I have nothing more to add, but there are two final messages that are important to me. One, we put up this spectacular event because it fits our spectacular news. Our Freightliner Inspiration truck is a vehicle mankind has not seen before. It will shape the future of transportation. It will inspire the world. Secondly, equally important, I'd like to thank the people who made it all possible, the event and the truck. Martin, you and your team from Freightliner really set a new standard for world premieres. Outstanding, fantastic job, damn good job.
Thank you, Wolfgang. Damn good speech. I'd like to reach out to my team as well. It's about time to say thanks for the hard work they do every day to serve our customers and for turning the world's first AV truck on public roads from an inspiration into tonight's reality. We had one member of this fantastic Freightliner crew on the dam, Al Pearson, who tonight starred as truck driver and who otherwise excels as chief engineer for product validation. Thank you all very much. Great job, great team. And last but not least, many thanks to Rutledge Wood and Mark Cook and to all of you, our guests, for being with us tonight. Great to have you all here. Please now join us over there at the tent. Enjoy the evening with Freightliner. Thank you.